Hello guys, this is Denotech UG and I'm going to show you how we remove invalid SIM in such small phones, Itel, Techno, and Android. So today we're going to see how we remove invalid this. So in the process, first of all, we have to launch Miracle Box. Have you seen it? Launch Miracle Box first. Subscribe, comment. This is Denotech UG. For more videos will be uploaded. So as you see, Miracle Box is launched. So we have our free space here. In order to display information in that space, you go on your keyboard, plus my keyboard, you place Control, do you see Control plus M, Control M, wait, Control M. As you see, AMI has displayed on my screen. So we're going to use IMEI switch on. Yeah, we're going to write when the phone is on. The phone is here, as you see. So we're going to choose the digits we want to write in: 2 3 4 5 6 7 2 3 4 1 8 2 0. As you see, then we're going to copy the same information, we paste the other side. It's due to the phone. Some phones they have one seat pad, others they have more than pad, 2 3, like that. So we copy the same information right there. So in order to write that IMEI, you come and press start button here. Then you please turn on your phone by battery before pressing start. My phone is on with the battery, so I've pressed start, then waiting for USB to connect. So you're going to connect the USB. After there, the trick is here. You come to the COM, you see COM port, then you press. Now it's already I've already written, as you've seen. So that's how. Then that's how we write IMEI on SIM card which brought invalid SIM.